Hi and welcome back. How to set up vacation rules for either GL, procurement, approvals in Oracle Cloud. What is our agenda? How to set up vacation rules, for example for journal approvals. Differences between delegate and reassign, and is there any report to list all vacation rules defined by users in the system as a Oracle Cloud or not. First of saying, what is a vacation rule? Vacation rules, as you know, that the manager or supervisors go to vacation or absence, take absence or work out for specific period. So during this period you need to reassign or delegated all the approvals to someone else. This is a vacation rule. A user can set a vacation rule in order for the approval to be reassigned or delegated to someone else during his absence. Important considerations before proceeding with vacation rules. First of saying that the vacation rule is applicable only to individual assignments. Vacation rule functionality is not applicable in case of rule-based assignment, group assignment, or multiple users. To define the vacation rules, let's go to software as a Oracle Cloud to show you how to create a vacation rules. Then we will know what is the actions available to be taken during create the vacation rules. Let's get into software. Just click on pending notification, show all, and just let me make a refresh. Again, show all, worklist, and open. Just click on the username, select preferences. You will notice that the vacation period is disabled. First of thing, you have to enable vacation period. You can select date and time or not. Try to save. I will enter, for example, from today to the end of July. Then I will save. Once you saved, you will notice that the vacation rule or the vacation period is enabled. Second step, just click on my rule, click plus. Here you will use the vacation rule. This is whatever I defined before, from today to the end of July. What is the task type? Task type, as you know, that are you going to assign all tasks? Are you go to assign all only GL journals, BO procurement approval, whatever the approval is there. If you need to choose a specific, for example, GL journals, you just open the list of the value to select. You just write, for example, find GL, try to search. You will find GL journal approval. Okay. And you will find the action. There are 4 actions: reassign to specific users, delegate to also specific users, set outcome to, or take no actions. What is the difference between all of these? First of all is reassign to. As you know that you can reassign tasks to subordinators or groups you manage If you were granted the BPM Worklist reassign rule, then you can reassign tasks to any user or group. Delegate to that you can delegate to any users. Any access rights or privileges for completing the task are determined according to the original users who delegated the task. Any subsequent delegations or reassignments don't change these from the original delegation user. If you select or choose Set Outcome To, you can specify an automatic outcome if the workflow task was designed for those outcomes. For example, accepting or rejecting the task. The rule must be for a specific task type. If a rule is for all task types, then this option is not displayed. Because in my case, I just select GL journals, so Set Outcome To as actions will be displayed. But if you select all tasks, this option will not be there. Last one is Take No Actions, that use these actions to prevent other more general rules from applying. For example, to reassign all your tasks to another users while you are on vacation, except for loan requests for which you want no action taken. Then create two rules. The first rule is specific that no action is taken for loan requests. Second rule is specific that all tasks are reassigned to another users. The first rule prevents reassignment for loan requests. So you can create two rules. One rule for all rules, the other one for specific rules. The other one is for specific rules. You can select the action to be Take No Actions. Take no actions that they cannot take any action which is relevant to this rule. Just come back. You can reassign to specific users. Just click on search and enter the users to reassign all of these tasks to him during your absence. Just click search and select it. Okay. And save. Once you saved, it's saved, and this is how to create the rule. You have to enable the first vacation period, then go to My Rules, click plus, add which task type, is it all or specific task type, what the actions you need, what is the users, then save. You can revert back and you can save and close. Second point here, delegate and reassign differences. Reassign action to transfer the task to another user or group. The task will then be routed based on the specified user's hierarchy. Delegate actions allows another users to act on your behalf. There is one question will be raised here: will the original assignee, when using delegate, still be able to approve? The answer is yes. Let's say, to see one example here, that the below example or this example is presuming the manager hierarchy goes as follows: buyer 1, 2, 3 until buyer 10. Let's say you have approval set up to follow manager hierarchy, supervisor hierarchy up to 3 levels, and you have the following use case. Buyer 1, PO submitter. Approvals will be buyer 2, 3, 4 until buyer 10. Let's say that buyer 2 has a vacation rule set up to delegate to buyer 7 set up under their vacation rules. Buyer 2 create a vacation rules as a delegate to buyer 7. In this case, what will be happened? Buyer 1 will submit the PO, The application will begin the approval process and the vacation delegation will fire because he make delegation. Buyer 7 will receive a notification to approve. Also buyer 2 will receive a work list notification to approve because, as we said, the delegate buyer 2 create a vacation rule to buyer 7. Once buyer 1 submits the PO, the approval will be, or the system will send a notification to buyer 7 and buyer 2 as a work list notification to approve. After that, they will not receive a bell icon notification to approve. However, either party can approve. This is standard. Once one of the parties approves, it will continue the approval flow buyer 3, 4, 5, blah blah blah, or up to 3 levels. It will continue 3, 4, and so on. So the delegate will send a notification to both buyer 2, buyer 7 as work list notification to approve, and they will not receive a bell icon notification to approve. This is as a sample example of how delegates works. The second is what about reassign, how will that work? For reassign, let's use the same example but with reassign instead of delegate. Buyer 1 PO submitter, buyer 2, 3, 4, etc. Let's say buyer 2 also has a vacation rules set up to reassign, not delegate, to buyer 7 setup under their vacation rule. The following will happen. Buyer 1 will submit the PO. The application will begin the approval process. The vacation reassign will fire. Buyer 7 in this case will receive a notification to approve. Buyer 2 will not receive any notification at all to approve. So only buyer 1 and only buyer 7 and only buyer 7 can approve. This is the difference between reassign and delegate. This is standard. Once buyer 7 approves, it will continue the approval flow to buyer 8 and buyer 9, as again the reassign action transfers the tasks to another users or group. The tasks will then be routed based on the specific users hierarchies. This is the reassign. Is there any report with the list of the vacation rules defined by users in the cloud? Yes. Let's get into application. Just go to setup and maintenance and search for setup workflow. Just manage work flow rules in a spreadsheet. Click on it. You will find one tab here as vacation rules report. Submit vacation rules report. Click on it. Select your parameters, legal entity, employee name from date to date. Click submit. There is one request submitted. Just go to tools and schedule processes to select or to check the output, either running or error or whatever. It's completed, just succeeded. Click and check the output. Just 2 more files here. Click to check if there any data or it's empty. There is one report to see what is the name, employee ID, vacation, what is that action, delegate, reassign, blah blah blah. This is the report. You can select a specific operating business unit, legal entity, employee, specific start and end date, and rules setup. This is how to check the approval as a report. So now we finalize all of our 3 points, that how to set up, what is the differences between delegate and reassign, what is the report to list of vacation rules. That's it. Thanks for watching.